You asked how to buy shares of Launch One Acquisition Corp, a special purpose acquisition company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker LPAA. This is an educational guide and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and we will use eToro as an example to illustrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account with a valid ID and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker LPAA to find Launch One Acquisition Corp. Select the matching NASDAQ listing to open the official stock page. On the stock page, review the basic company information and the price chart to confirm this is the correct listing. Make sure the company name is Launch One Acquisition Corp. and the ticker shows LPAA. Click Investor Trade, enter the amount you want to buy, review the order details, and confirm to submit the trade. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or submitted as a pending order, and if you lack funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After your purchase, the new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to eToro is available in the video description if you want to follow the same example.